Rare earth elements, REEs, are a group of 17 metals that are critical to the production of a wide range of high-tech products, including smartphones, electric vehicles, wind turbines, and military equipment. China is the world's largest producer and processor of rare earth elements, accounting for approximately 60% of global production and 90% of processing capacity. In December 2024, China announced a ban on the export of rare earth elements to the United States, citing national security concerns and escalating trade tensions. This hypothetical ban has significant implications for global supply chains and technological innovations. Rare earth elements are essential for the production of many high-tech products. For example, neodymium and dysprosium are used in the production of permanent magnets, which are critical components of electric vehicles and wind turbines. Europium and yttrium are used in the production of phosphors for LED displays and lighting. Lanthanum is used in the production of camera lenses and battery electrodes. The unique properties of rare earth elements make them irreplaceable in many applications, and their supply is critical to the functioning of modern technology. China's dominance in the rare earth market is a result of its abundant natural resources, low labor costs, and significant investments in mining and processing infrastructure. In 2025, China accounted for approximately 60% of global rare earth production and 90% of processing capacity. This dominance gives China significant leverage over the global supply of rare earth elements and makes other countries highly dependent on Chinese exports. In December 2024, China announced a ban on the export of rare earth elements to the United States. This ban is part of a broader strategy to assert its dominance in the global rare earth market and to retaliate against U.S. trade restrictions on Chinese technology. The ban includes critical rare earth elements such as neodymium, dysprosium, europium, and lanthanum, which are essential for the production of high-tech products. The ban on rare earth exports from China has significant implications for U.S. tech companies. These companies rely heavily on rare earth elements for the production of smartphones, electric vehicles, wind turbines, and other high-tech products. The sudden disruption in the supply of rare earth elements could lead to production delays, increased costs, and reduced competitiveness for U.S. tech companies. The ban on rare earth exports from China is expected to cause significant disruptions in global supply chains. U.S. tech companies will need to find alternative sources of rare earth elements, which may be more expensive and less reliable. This could lead to production delays and increased costs for high-tech products. Additionally, the ban could create bottlenecks in the supply chain, as companies scramble to secure limited supplies of rare earth elements from other sources. The ban on rare earth exports from China is likely to lead to increased costs for U.S. tech companies. The cost of rare earth elements is expected to rise due to the reduced supply and increased demand from other countries. This could lead to higher prices for high-tech products, which could reduce the competitiveness of U.S. tech companies in the global market. Additionally, the increased cost could be passed on to consumers, leading to higher prices for smartphones, electric vehicles, and other high-tech products. The ban on rare earth exports from China could also have implications for technological innovations. U.S. tech companies may need to invest in research and development to find alternative materials and technologies that can replace rare earth elements in high-tech products. This could lead to new innovations and advancements in technology, but it could also be a costly and time-consuming process. Additionally, the ban could slow down the development and deployment of new technologies as companies struggle to secure the necessary materials for production. The impact of China's ban on rare earth exports is not limited to the United States. The ban is expected to have far-reaching implications for the global economy and technological innovations. Other countries that rely on rare earth elements from China are also expected to be affected by the ban. Countries such as Japan, South Korea, and Germany, which are major producers of high-tech products, may face similar supply chain disruptions and increased costs. Additionally, the ban could lead to increased competition for limited supplies of rare earth elements from other sources, further driving up prices and exacerbating supply chain issues. The ban on rare earth exports from China is likely to have significant geopolitical implications. The ban is part of a broader strategy by China to assert its dominance in the global rare earth market and to retaliate against U.S. trade restrictions on Chinese technology. This could lead to increased tensions between China and the United States, as well as other countries that rely on rare earth elements from China. Additionally, the ban could prompt other countries to take measures to reduce their dependence on Chinese rare earth elements, such as investing in domestic production and processing capabilities. The ban on rare earth exports from China could also have environmental implications. The extraction and processing of rare earth elements are associated with significant environmental impacts, including habitat destruction, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. As other countries ramp up their production of rare earth elements to compensate for the reduced supply from China, these environmental impacts could be exacerbated. Additionally, the increased competition for limited supplies of rare earth elements could lead to the exploitation of environmentally sensitive areas and the use of less environmentally friendly extraction and processing methods. The hypothetical ban on rare earth exports from China to the United States has significant implications for global supply chains and technological innovations. The ban is expected to cause supply chain disruptions, increased costs, and reduced competitiveness for U.S. tech companies. Additionally, the ban could have far-reaching implications for other countries, geopolitical relations, and the environment. As the global economy becomes increasingly reliant on high-tech products, the importance of securing a stable and sustainable supply of rare earth elements cannot be overstated. It is essential for countries to invest in alternative sources of rare earth elements and to develop new technologies and materials that can reduce their dependence on these critical resources.